Hey, good morning everyone. Nurse Mary back here, and today I want to talk to you about BEMER, and they are having an introductory sale on their new product line. And what is BEMER, you ask? It's the pulse electromagnetic field medical device I use, and I used on my dog when he had his amputation. What does it do? It opens up your microvascular circulation. And why is that important for a cardiac patient? Because it opens up your microvascular circulation. So what is going on there? Well, as we get older, our microvasculature gets harder. It's called atherosclerosis, and it's not as flexible as it used to be. You're no longer the flexibility that you were as a young kid when you could be like a gymnast. Now things have slowed down a little bit. And one of the things that happens first is our microvasculature gets clogged up. So heart disease doesn't start in the heart immediately. You don't just have a heart attack. Things have gotten blocked up over time. And that starts with the microvasculature. And why is this also important? Because when we have blockage, things get inflamed. So we have problems with our joints. We start to feel creaky. We start to have pain. And that is manifested in our tissues. And what this medical device does, BEMER, is it helps to open the microvasculature, and it helps to help our muscles recover. So this is really important when we've gotten into a lactic acid buildup. This helps to mitigate that, and it does so many things. Think about if your brain is perfused, if your heart is perfused, if your lungs are perfused, your tissues are perfused. Everything starts with microcirculation, and that's one of the leading causes of cardiac diseases, problems with the microvascular circulation. And what else did I want to say? It serves to detox us. So what you're doing is you're bringing in nutrients and oxygen and removing toxins. So when you first start to use this for the first few days, you might feel fluey. And what does that mean? That is the toxins coming out of your body. And then after that, you feel amazing. And I use it every morning and evening. My dog jumps on it when I go to use it, so sometimes I have to wait for him and his treatment. I use it off-label for him. There's a small device coming. But they also have a device for horses, and that is, I think, what it was originally developed for. Equines, racehorses, pampered ponies. And they moved toward the people model, and the Navy SEALs use this, and there's a reason the Navy SEALs use it, as well as pro sports teams like the San Francisco 49ers. So it's their secret weapon, in quote unquote. So they are having a special. It's my newsletter is going to be coming out later today or early tomorrow. In the newsletter, I have all the information on the BEMER and the specials. They have an exciting new product, which is an infrared light technology, and then a clear light, but it actually has blue and red light, and that is for the skin, for acne. The red light technology works on the mitochondria, which is the little engine room of our cells, the powerhouse of our cells. If you've been on statin, your mitochondria have been compromised. And this can help your cells rebuild and help your cells to be able to make adenosine triphosphate, which is the energy that the mitochondria use and that they make. So this is such an important product. There's nothing else like it. You can look at pubmed.gov and research BEMER therapy, and you will come out with all the research studies. The reason it's so important too is because the effects last for 12 to 18 hours, up to 18 hours in some people. So an 8-hour lying on the mat in the morning, 8-minute lying on the mat in the morning, 8 minutes in the evening covers you for 24 hours. And it's most important in the evening. Why? Because in the early morning hours, overnight, is when most heart attacks occur. And why is that? Because our body has been in stasis. And what is stasis? It means we're not moving, we're not circulating around like we normally would be walking and doing exercise. So when you're in stasis, what happens to your blood? It's not moving as much. And what happens when that happens? Clots. And what happens when you get clots? Heart attack. So it all fits together. It all is working out, right? So this is a 1 week long introductory discount. BEMER really traditionally does not discount their products at all. They speak for themselves. But they are offering this because they're introducing a new model and also these new accessories. For the equine folks out there, they have a new neck blanket, which is specially designed in the coils in the blanket to address all the 100+ muscles in a horse's neck, which is crazy when you think about it. But that's how they steer, that's how they move. That controls all of their movement, basically. So it's like an additional set of legs, if you will. So there's a new neck accessory, I guess you'd say. All right, I'm going to be learning the equine model soon, and I'm super excited about that, and to be laying hands on some horses and helping them feel better. And the reason this is not sold in the stores is because it does require screening out, and on my website there is a BEMER tab, and there are contraindications where those folks cannot use it. And for my cardiac people, implanted defibrillators and pacemakers, it's a no-no, actually not recommended, contraindication. But for everybody else, if you have stents, it's fine, surgery, fine. And this helps if you've had any kind of recent surgery. Why? Because it's bringing nutrients and oxygen to the tissues and taking away toxins. So it is so beneficial. So can't say enough good things about it. Reach out to me. You can also reach out to me and speakwithmary.com and have a 15-minute conversation, and I personally will take you through ordering it and also through personal training so that you know how to use it properly. Okay? So that's the exciting news of the day, and sign up for my newsletter on my website, and you will get a link to a talk I'm giving next Wednesday on preventing a heart attack during the holidays, a Christmas coronary. That talk will be Wednesday the 29th at noon Eastern Standard Time. And then there's also information in the latest newsletter coming out for November about the BEMER and all the different options and packages they have. Or you can order a la carte and just order the BEMER by itself if you don't want any of the accessories. Alrighty, that's it. Have a great day, and remember, it's a beautiful day to be alive. Get out, see something new, go somewhere new, and I will see you tomorrow. Have a great day.